So many of my friends have been asking me, what's what's a good beginner what's good beginner tools for my toolbox I like to buy. Okay, so I went and said, so I told him, I replied back and I said, okay, so first you're gonna need some, most important thing, you're gonna need some patch. See that right there? A patch kit. And this is the most important thing, because if you don't have a patch, especially like when you're on a bike trail or something and you don't have a patch, well, say you have like a hole in your tube or in your tire, and well, in your tube, and you can't, and you're like, oh man, I got a hole in my tube. But guess what? That's a perfect tool, patch kit. Okay, this is the first on the list. Put that back down. Okay. Second, I'm gonna say would be tire levers. See these? Some plastic tire levers. Everybody always needs these. Like when you're on the trail, and you get a hole in your tube, you need these to take your tire off. Then next, the third on the list, I'm gonna put it is some hex keys. You definitely need the L-shaped hex keys, because they will save your butt. And actually, for repairs and stuff, like especially at home, you will need these to basically tighten up your headset or anything like that. So this is third on the list. Okay. Fourth on the list, I'm gonna say would be chain tool. It's basically a tool that you put your chain on and on the master link, and you basically push the master link all the way out. But if you go too far, then it'll pop out and go some, and it'll go somewhere. It'll fall off somewhere. So this is fourth on the list. Fifth on the list, I'll say a multi-tool. Guys, you always need a multi-tool. And this is just a Huffy tool, and it has screwdriver. It has Phillips head, flathead. It even has a hex wrench, key on here, and it's basically a hex key, and it has some extra sockets on here. Okay, so this is fifth on the list. And most importantly, guys, you will need a 15mm socket with the long wrench, so that this basically will take your tire off when you just don't have the hex keeper. You need this one. This is perfect for you. So this is the sixth one. This is the sixth on the list. Okay. Seventh, you always need needle nose pliers, no matter what. And these cut things and everything. Okay. Seventh. Okay. Next, I put on the list just some easy clean. It's just some lubricant for your bike, and you can spray it in your chain, disc brakes, or anything. So that's eighth. And ninth, I just have some PB Blaster to extreme blast the heck out of the bolts. Okay. And most importantly, guys, you will need a wrench. Wrench that has measurements, and one that has rubber, because when you're doing something, like say you can use it as a hammer, as a mallet with the rubber. Yeah. Okay. Next I have on the list was some Torx, some T15 and T20 Torx hex, and it basically is another thing just to take your headset off with. So, because sometimes they don't use hex. Okay. And I have this with it. Next, I have just a screwdriver, plain Phillips head screwdriver. Then I have this. And guys, this is amazing. Y'all see this right here? This is, it has Torx and everything. Phillips head, flathead, everything. And it even came with this little thing, this little guy right here. Okay? So guys, basically, I'm just showing you a tutorial on basically what you need for a beginner toolbox. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye-bye.